Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a video all about these Jumbo Knotless Blonde Box Braids. So let's get right into it and make sure you watch this video to the end. So starting off, I did go ahead and pre-section my hair. Whenever you do jumbo braids, it's always best to pre-section your hair first. It makes the process a lot easier. And I am going to be working with Faux hair. They're an Amazon vendor. They went ahead and sent me a couple of packs of their pre-stretched antibacterial hair. So I got the hair in the color 1B30 and I also got it in the number 27. You guys know I love to do me some blonde box braids, and I'm super excited because I did color my natural hair, so I can't wait to see how these turn out. I'm going to be using some Shine and Jam as well as the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control to help with my parts in smoothing my hair. Went ahead and started my hair off camera just so I can get a feel on how the color and everything is looking before I got on camera with you guys. But I am going to walk you through a couple of braids. So here's the hair. You're going to need a total of 7 pieces per braid, and this is the size of hair that I'm using for each piece. I used 4 pieces of the 1B30 and then 3 pieces of the 27. You can mix it however you want, but just make sure you use 7 pieces per braid for these size braids. So I start with the Style Factor Edge Control. This edge control in particular really holds my hair really well. So I like to use this one along the parts in the perimeter of the hair. And then I go in with my Shine and Jam, and then I smooth that on the rest of your hair. If you are type 4, if you have type 4 hair like me, smoothing your hair down is going to be the most important step. So I'm also parting my section of hair and adding some of that jam in between, because when you have thicker, coarser hair, if you want these braids to look really neat, you need to have an edge control that really holds your hair and smooths your hair into place. So you don't have to use these products, but these are just the products that work well on my hair. So I'm going to start by braiding, and when I do my feed-ins, I always start with a little bit of my hair, and then I'm going to walk you guys through this. So I'm going to feed in my first piece, and then I braid for 1, 2, and then I feed in my next piece, and then I braid 1 and 2, and then I feed in my next piece, and then I braid 1, 2. So I have a total of 3 pieces fed in. Then I go into that jam, and I'm just going to smooth in my natural hair into the braiding hair. This is also really important. And then I'm going to braid for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to feed in my next piece. This is my 4th piece of hair, and then I braid 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I add in my 5th piece of hair. So the pattern is 2, 2, 6, 4, and then after I have 5 pieces fed in, I'm just going to braid pretty much almost all the way to the end, and I use my last 2 pieces of hair mainly for length. And while you're braiding, you also want to make sure that you go in and add edge control and make sure that your natural hair is smoothed into the braids. And then when I reach about this much, I'm going to go in and add in my last 2 pieces of hair. Again, these last 2 pieces are for length only, mainly. So yeah, I kind of eyeball these last 2 pieces. I don't count. I just kind of braid until I feel like I get the desired length with these last 2 pieces. And then after I feed in the final piece, I just go ahead and braid it all the way to the end, and that is pretty much it. So again, the first 3 pieces I feed in every 2 turns. The 4th piece is added after 6 turns. The 5th piece is added after 4 turns. And then the last 2 pieces are added at the end for length, and I just kind of eyeball when I feed those pieces in. And again, that's the best way I can explain it. But this is the size. I think they're like the perfect jumbo size. They're not too heavy, they're not too bulky. How they gradually, extend from my natural hair, I think it's the perfect size. It blends in perfectly. I love the way that my colored hair blended in with these. So yeah. And so this is how it looks once I'm done, and then I'm going to go in and add my finishing touches. So I'm going to do my baby hair. I also use some setting foam just to further set these braids, and then I sprayed it with some holding spray, and then I tied my hair up for about 30 minutes. Just so that it can completely set. You can also sit under a dryer or blow dry it, but I just kind of let mine air dry. And then I also went ahead and dipped my ends in boiling hot water, and then that was it. So definitely keep watching because you don't want to mix this next part of the video. Alright you guys, so here is the final look. I love the way that these braids came out. Like, I'm just loving this style. I feel real urban. Again, this hair is from So Cool Hair. They are an online Amazon hair vendor. The hair that they sent me, this is like your standard antibacterial pre-stretch. It has that really kind of coarse, thick, soft textured hair. Each set of hair comes with 8 bundles, and it is $25. To create this style, I used a total of 3 bundles. So that means that if you were to buy a pack of 8 bundles and recreated this look and only used 3 bundles, you would still have 5 bundles left, which is enough to do another install. So I personally think that it is a great price. I have a total of 17 braids in my hair, and again I used a total of 3 bundles. So I used about a pack and a half of the 1B30 and then a pack and a half of the 27. I may have used just a little bit more of the 1B30, but yeah, this is what we ended up with. These braids are super long. So yeah, that's about it for all the details on this hair. Let me know how you like this style down in the comments. So if you have made it this far to the video, I'm sure you guys are here for the giveaway. So Cool Hair was so nice enough to send me an extra pack of the 1B30 and an extra pack of the 27. And whenever I do any blonde box braids, you guys always show me so much love. My blonde box braid videos always do really well. So I decided that I am going to do a giveaway with the extra hair that I have. So I have 4 bundles of the 1B30, 4 bundles of the 27. The packs are unopened, unused. They're going to be coming to you fresh. Also, I'm going to include my favorite edge controls. So the edge controls that you see me use in this video, I'm going to include those in there. I'm going to give you guys my favorite hair oils that I like to use when I wear protective styles, box braids, all of that. And I might throw in some additional goodies. So you don't want to miss this. So the rules are going to be extremely simple. So the first rule is to like this video, okay? You're still watching, scroll up to the top, like this video. The second rule is that you must be a subscriber, obviously. You also have to go subscribe to my second channel. If you guys don't know, I recently started a second channel all about self-care, womanhood, all of that. So I'll leave that down below for you guys to go subscribe. The third rule is that you have to follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I am going to be contacting the winner via Instagram. So if you don't have an Instagram for me to contact you at, you can't enter the giveaways. And then after you do all that, come back to this video, leave a comment with your Instagram name in the comment, and that will be your entry into the giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my second channel, follow me on Instagram, and then come back and leave a comment on this video with your Instagram name in. The giveaway will run for a week from the first day that the video was posted. So definitely check the description box. The description box will have all of the information on there. I don't know the exact date this video is going up, so I can't give you an exact date in this video. I will be contacting the winner, and then I'll come back and post who the winner is. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your family, your sisters, your cousins, your aunties, your mamas, your grandmamas, everybody. Share this video with them so that they can enter this contest. And yeah, good luck to everyone entering the contest, and I will see you guys in the next video.